What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to reveal to you my June dividend income. It was a very good month. And I'm going to have a video for you tomorrow. So a lot of you guys that are new to this YouTube channel, I try to post 3 to 5 videos a week being in graduate school. And then after August 4th, I'm going to try to start posting videos almost daily, videos and shorts daily. So, you know, stay put, be patient. I'm going to post a lot of videos for you guys, but I'm really excited. Not only is this YouTube channel growing, we're at 13,000 YouTube subscribers strong and dividend, or I should say dividend warrior strong, but my dividend portfolio is getting stronger and stronger, both of them, E-Trade and M1 Finance. I have 2 of them. I didn't even start options trading yet. That's one thing that I'm going to try to learn with options and covered calls and puts. That's one thing I just want to look at a little bit. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out my dividend income right now. So we're going to start with M1 Finance. And as you can tell, this is a big dividend day, 158.42. So my dividend portfolio is getting a lot stronger, a lot bigger, a lot more powerful. I'm going to kind of reflect with you guys with TSLY and KLIP at the end of this video. But with the Death Star, I'm at 64,594.45. Again, I earned a total of $6,589.33 in dividends. So my gain is $6,565.28. My return is 38.78%, which is pretty nice. So here's the thing. This dividend portfolio is really turbocharging. Like I said before, I'm really focusing on the financial sector and real estate sector. I have kind of a hybrid of high yield dividend growth stocks that are low yielders like Starbucks and Kroger, which I'll probably be buying when the market opens just with this dividend income, and I've been dollar cost averaging $500 a week into that. And again, you know, the reason why I'm doing that, not really throwing a lot of money all at once, is, you know, being a travel nurse, they can cut my contract tomorrow and say, well, you know, we're short on money, we don't need travelers anymore. So I got to be, you know, have an emergency fund just in case. And so, you know, again, $500 a week, that's still pretty ambitious and pretty aggressive. So I'm going to show you my dividend income with M1 Finance. So I'm going to start with June 1st, Enbridge. So 24.17, a little bit of a dividend tax because it's out of the country. So I made a total of $20.54. Then Intel, I made 79 cents. Then Google Ocean Group, I made 83 cents. Pfizer, 4.77. I need to get that up. Walgreens Boots Alliance, 21.75. Agree Realty Corp, 1.17. Barings BDC, 15.07. Jackson Financial, 30.26. Owl Rock Capital Corp, you'll see the end of that, but it was looked like I had 2.97. Prudential, 14.94. Ready Capital Group, 4.32. Stag, I made 97 cents eventually. Stag and Agree Realty Corporation are going to be up there. Tyson Foods, 11.48. Now we're going to jump to the other ones, which is, see, Wendy's, I made 7.03. Owl Rock Capital Corp, I made 2.94. TSLX 6th Street Specialty Lending, that was 17.77. Flowers Foods, I made 13.84. Starbulk, I made 125. Fidus Investment Corp, 342. Corning, that's one I need to get up, 427. T-Row, 825. Saratoga Investment Corp, 980. Alpine Income Property Trust, 643. ARC, you'll see at the end, but I made a total of 39.62. You get 26 cents plus 39.36. Bank of America, 11.33. CSWC Capital Southwest Corp, 11.16. GLPI, 22.71. National Storage Affiliates Trust 2427, Simon Property Group 2458, and then TSLX, like I said before, that was 1777. So adding up my total dividend income on M1 Finance was $337.56. All of these dividends are reinvested. And again, I need to get a lot more shares. I want to start racking up, 50 or so dollars in these guys. I need to get to around 200 or so shares before I jump to phase 2. And I'll reveal to you phase 2 eventually. But right now I'm still at phase 1. And I don't feel comfortable yet to jump to phase 2. So now we're going to jump to E-Trade. So right now with my E-Trade dividend portfolio, this is one that, I backed off a little bit on. My account value is $48,899.16. A little bit of a gain of negative 5.66%. That's probably because of the real estate sector stocks. They took a little bit of a hit. My estimated income on here is almost $6,000. So that's pretty nice. Huntington Bank shares, I'll be getting some dividends tomorrow, which will be 16.23. So there's a lot of potential. Franklin Resources right here, I need to get up there. So I'm just being honest with you. That's one I should get to 100 shares and just start really letting that dividend income kick in. But let's go to my dividends. So right now I have Conagra Brands at 1097, Horizon Technology Finance Corp 1409, Scion Investment Corp right here. I made 2127, EPR Properties 3467, Gladstone Investment Corp 2327, Key Corp, which I have 400 plus shares, I made 8331, which of course is reinvested. Main Street Capital Corp 2673, Realty Income 3453, TSLY 133.85, and then APLY 605. So I'm going to talk about or discuss TSLY in a second. Vitreous, I made 1526. Main Street Capital Corp, they added that right there, 2688. Let's see, what else do we got? Presidio Property Trust, that is almost like a penny stock now. I got those guys. It was a pretty good deal when they were cheap. And then I have the Crane Shares Covered Call, KLIP. That one I'm at 1750. So let's discuss my total dividend income on E-Trade. I had a total of $452.61. So my total dividend income was $790.17. So that's consecutive. I think that's 4 consecutive months of $700+ in earning dividend income / passive income. But I'm going to reflect on TSLY real quick. So first, TSLY is not going to beat the S&P. That's just a given. So this year to date, it's actually beating the S&P right now, which is kind of crazy. But we need to understand TSLY's dividend trends and what they do. They have a high distribution rate right now, 56.46%. It's not completely consistent. This is why, I'm still watching these guys. This is one idea that I have, but putting on an M1 Finance. So the thing is, these guys over here, they have a high expense ratio of almost pretty much 1%. And the thing is, these guys, their distribution is, 80 cents, 82 cents. It dropped down to 44 cents. So there's still some issues with consistency. It still is high, which is good. But remember, these holdings, this is not Tesla stock. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. That, these are United States Treasury, Tesla 1 call option. These are call options and stuff. And again, jumping right here, okay, distribution rate is the annual yield an investment will receive as most recently declared distribution, which includes option income. Remain the same going forward. The distribution rate is calculated by multiplying the ETF's distribution per share by 12 and dividing the result amount of ETF's most recent net asset value. The distribution rate represents a single distribution from the ETF and does not represent its total turn. 30-day SEC yield represents a net investment income, which excludes option income, earned by such ETF over the 30-day period. Okay, so just remember that. Now I'm going to go to KLIP. Now going on KLIP, the Crane Shares China Internet and Covered Call Security seeks to provide current income by following a cover call or buy right strategy. KLP buys shares of the Crane Shares CSI China Internet ETF as it writes or sells corresponding call options on KWEB. So again, this is one thing that's very interesting. KLIP sells covered call options on KWEB, an established ETF with a deep options market. Okay, so the current yield is 55.06. Now, again, I'm going to go over its performance. Now, the net asset value in 1 month is negative 5.11. This is not going to beat the S&P. Okay. Now, the distribution history, this is what I am highly interested in, because this high amount, okay, I just sent a message to M1 Finance to try to get these guys on here because their schedule is, from what somebody told me as a source, I had to double check, but it's a week either before or after the yield max covered call ETFs. Now, one strong idea that I have is, now the problem is with my E-Trade dividend portfolio, I'm up $600 on those guys. So it's like, okay, could I sell them and throw them on M1 Finance? No, not a good idea. One idea I have is with options with them. Same with this one. But this is something, adding these guys in M1 Finance, that may be part of phase 2 or phase 3, so that I can really turbocharge my dividend portfolio, because I need more monthly passive income covered call ETFs on M1 Finance. Phase 1 with my dividend portfolio is really to load up my high yield dividend stocks and dividend growth stocks, the low yielders that have excellent dividend growth, so that I never have to touch them again. Then adding these covered call ETFs, if there's a very good schedule with them, I can earn weekly income and have those guys not only buy my other dividend stocks, but have my dividend stocks buy them, and have a wheel that is spinning constantly, because I want to earn dividends every week, or be close to every day. I don't know if I'll ever do that for every day, but I want to earn weekly income that's really high. And looking at some of these guys, at Stag, Agree Realty Corporation, Main Street Capital. I don't have Main Street Capital and M1 Finance, but, earning passive income every week is kind of what my goal is. Now, I'm not even close to where I want to be, but we're getting there. So I just wanted to explain my thought process with TSLY and KLIP, because it's something I still haven't ruled out. And with KLIP, if I can have that in M1 Finance, that would be pretty nice. And that's just one thing, just with my thought process of having those two guys on there, that they have a high expense ratio. But the goal is to have those guys, again, buy these dividend stocks to where I don't have to touch M1 Finance or put any more money in M1 Finance, and let those guys do the work for me. So that's kind of my thought process and reflections on what I did with my dividend portfolio right now. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so not miss future videos. I will have a video for you guys tomorrow as well. And you guys have a very good and safe 4th of July week. Take care. So as a reminder, This is a disclaimer notice. This is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. Always consult with a financial advisor regarding financial advice. I do not give financial advice. I will tell you I do not give financial advice. There's always a risk regarding investing and you can lose a lot of money. My channel is for entertainment purposes only, and I reveal to you my dividend investing journey. Do not take this with any form of financial advice in these videos. I hope you enjoy my video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thank you so much for watching this.